Hello friends, my name is Mondege. Today date is 29 August 2022. Today video topic is difference between Java and JavaScript. First, many users think that Java and JavaScript are similar language or they are two different names of the same language. But the user has to clear his doubt that JavaScript and Java language are not similar language, and JavaScript has nothing to do with the Java programming language. It is little difference between Java and JavaScript. In Java language, it is a programming language, and JavaScript is a scripting language. Java is pure object-oriented programming language, and JavaScript is object-based language. Third difference with Java is a stand-alone language, and JavaScript is not stand-alone language, as it needs to be integrated into HTML program for execution. Fourth difference is Java is strongly typed language, which means that the user has to decide the data types of the variable before declaring and using it. It is example integer a, that variable a can store the value of integer type b. In JavaScript, JavaScript is a loosely typed language, which means that the user does not have worry about the data type of the variable before and after declaration. Example, variable a variable can store the value of any data type. Fifth difference in Java program should be completed before execution, and JavaScript needs to integrate it into HTML program for the execution. In sixth difference, the web browser is not required to run Java program, and the web browser is initial to run the JavaScript program. 7 it is one of the complex language to learn, and in JavaScript it is of the easy language to learn. 8 difference in Java, by utilizing the multi-threading, users can perform complicated tasks. In JavaScript, user is not able to perform complicated tasks. In ninth one, it is require large amount of memory. It is not required that memory require amount of memory. In 10th difference, Java programming language was developed by the Sun microsystem. JavaScript program was developed by Netscape. In 11 difference, in Java programming language, program are saved with Java execution. In JavaScript, on the other hand, Java in script are saved with .h execution. Java is stored on the host machine as the bytecode. In JavaScript is stored on the host machine in source state. It is all about in Java and JavaScript.